what do you see as typically the hardest decision for homeowners to make when it comes to a cabinet and countertop renovation in their kitchen?
The hardest decision would probably be how much they want to spend. Their budget, trying to decide how much money goes into flooring, how much money goes into the appliances, obviously the cabinets and countertops, lighting, all of these things. You have to kind of segregate and try to figure out what you're going to spend on this, what's more important to you. My suggestion, if that is the case, the most difficult decision is to focus on things that are going to be permanent. Spend the money on that. That way, if something needs to be replaced later, it's something that wasn't as expensive.